Hi, I'm Barb, and I'm sitting in the Baby Log Triumph, and I'm going to show you a fun way to do some ruching. I don't know if you've ever done ruching before, but it's a fun thing to do. So I have it set up in a 4-thread overlock, and I'm going to have my differential feed up to 2. I'm going to have my stitch length to 4. That's the large knob. And the wee widow knob, the width, it doesn't matter where it's at. And now look what I'm going to do. There I have a beautiful gather right here, but now I'm going to gather the other side. Now this is something I might use in a bag, or even I would use this on a quilt. And for this side, I kind of have to go a little bit slower because I have to make sure I feed that fabric in. And looky there, I have beautiful ruching. Now to make those nice and even stitches, I'm just going to pull them like that. Isn't that pretty? Don't you love that?